The potential for AI, specifically chatbots like ChatGPT, to take developers' jobs. This is a topic that is on the minds of many people in the tech industry today. Let's analyze and understand if ChatGPT and other similar AI tools are going to replace developers and how. Before diving into this topic, it's important to note that AI won't replace all developers overnight. However, AI and chatbots like ChatGPT are becoming increasingly sophisticated and can do many tasks that used to be done by humans. So, it's natural to wonder if these technologies could eventually threaten developers' jobs. To understand this issue, we must understand how AI and chatbots like ChatGPT can be used in the development process. A good example to start with is when AI is used in the testing phase to test the functionality of an application and ensure it is functioning as intended. Well, this can save time and reduce the need for human testers. Another way in which ChatGPT can be used is in the creation of simple web apps. In these cases, the chatbot can be used to generate the code for the application, potentially reducing the need for human developers. So, it's clear that an AI like ChatGPT has the potential to automate certain tasks that were previously done by humans. However, it's important to keep in mind that these technologies are not capable of replacing the creativity and problem-solving ability of human developers. In fact, the use of AI and chatbots like ChatGPT could actually lead to the creation of new job opportunities for developers. For example, developers could be needed to create and maintain the chatbots themselves, or to integrate them into larger systems. It's worth considering that AI could automate certain tasks currently done by developers, freeing them up to work on more complex and challenging projects. Just think about the amount of tedious and repetitive tasks you sometimes have to do. In this way, the use of these technologies could actually lead to the growth of the development industry rather than its decline. While it's true that ChatGPT has the potential to automate certain tasks that are currently done by developers, it's important to keep in mind that these technologies are not capable of replacing the creativity and problem-solving ability of human developers. In fact, the use of these technologies could lead to the creation of new job opportunities and the growth of the development industry. If you're using GitHub Copilot, you're already using the same technology powering ChatGPT. Well, Copilot is powered by the OpenAI Codex. Artificial intelligence will replace some tasks done by developers, but not the developers themselves. However, we don't know what the future holds. One day, a perfect AI may take your job as a developer. But in this case, it's likely that most other jobs will already be automated, not just yours. Join us next time as we delve into the world of AI and explore the latest developments in this rapidly evolving field. That's 5 minutes programming. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends to show your support. Join us on faun.dev/join.